in case of income method, what we have two things. Number one, there are businesses and there are households. There are businesses and there are households. So what you have, the households are contributing towards the business. The households are contributing towards the business. In what form they are contributing towards the business? They are contributing in the form of labor, land, capital, and entrepreneurial activity. So the households are contributing towards business in the form of labor, land, capital, and entrepreneurial activity. Now for the labor, what they are earning, the household are earning. So the income which is being earned by the household on account of these factors of services, on account of labor, they are earning wages. On account of land, they are earning rent. On account of capital, they are earning interest. On account of entrepreneurial activity, they are earning profit. So when you take the total of all these four components of total income, and what you arrive it as GDP. So this is the second method of determining national income. Now, a question may come to your mind. If income of a country is determined following the expenditure method or the income method, will these figure be same or will these figure be different? Now, if we have to do this calculations for economy as a whole, obviously it will require supercomputers, not only computers, supercomputers. But by taking a very simple example, we can check and reconfirm whether national income determined following the income method or the expenditure method, will these two figures be same or will these figures be different? Now जब हम बात करते हैं तो हमारे मन में एक जो थॉट आता है वो ये आता है कि इनकम इज ऑलवेज मोर देन द एक्सपेंडिचर. सिंस इनकम इज ऑलवेज मोर देन द एक्सपेंडिचर, और अगर हम नेशनल इनकम को इनकम के बेसिस पर डिटरमिन करेंगे तो जो जीडीपी का फिगर है वो ज़्यादा आएगा, और अगर एक्सपेंडिचर के बेसिस पर करेंगे तो जीडीपी का फिगर कम आएगा, क्योंकि हमारी जो कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो क्या है, वो ये है कि इनकम इज ऑलवेज मोर देन द एक्सपेंडिचर. सो देयरफॉर इफ यू यूज द इनकम मेथड, योर जीडीपी विल अपीयर टू बी वेरी हाई, एंड इफ यू यूज द एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड, देन योर जीडीपी इज गोइंग टू अपीयर low. Now, is that really so? And the answer is no. The answer is no, because our understanding with regard to the income and expenditure needs a bit of correction. In this context, needs a bit of correction. And let us understand it with the help of an example. So how and why the income and expenditure methods of national income accounting will give the same figure of national income, and why is that so? Let us understand with the help of an example. So there is a company called there is a manufacturing company X, Y, and Z, right? And what X is making cars, Y is making fridge, and Z is making TVs. And so the cost that they incur for in making these products, the X and Y and Z for making car, fridge, and TV, what the cost they are incurring is 3 lakhs for making a car, 10,000 for making a fridge, and 50,000 for making a TV. Okay, now what X is doing, X is selling the car to Y, and how much is he charging? He is charging 400,000. So that is the income of X which he is earning. Likewise, Y is selling fridge to Z, and how much is he charging? He is charging 15,000. So his income is how much? 15,000. And Z is making TV, and Z is supplying TV to X, and how much is he charging? He is charging 70,000. So meaning what? Meaning if we use the income method of national income accounting, our national income is going to be 4,85,000, and based on the income method. Now, will it be same when you use the expenditure method? And the answer is yes. And why the answer is yes, let us look at further. So what you have now, income for X for selling the car to Y is 400,000. Now remember, this 400,000 for Y becomes an expenditure. I'm sure you are understanding me. तो जब X एक गाड़ी बनाता है और वो गाड़ी को 4 लाख में Y को सेल करता है, तो ये जो X की इनकम है 4 लाख रुपया, वो बाई Y के लिए it becomes an expenditure. So the expenditure is 400,000. Same is the case for the fridge, and same is the case for TV also. And that is why what is my income, remember, is the expenditure for my customer. And therefore the total of all the incomes that happen in an economy and all the expenditure that happen in an economy are going to be same. So whether you do the accounting of the national income based on expenditure method or based on income method, you will get the same figure of national income. I hope this makes sense to every one of you.